Hello everyone, welcome in today's video. Today I just want to walk you through some teaching here on how to start raw cost hydroponic fodder growing. Now with me here are some of the works that have been done by some of my work, or some of my friends have also attempted and done a very good job with no cash, or with a bit of cash. Now for you to be able to grow the hydroponic fodder, there are some requirements that you really require. You require some trays and some seed. So as you can see, what you can see here is the seed, the trays, and this farmer here improvised some plastic. Okay, one thing that you need to know is that fodder does very well on a plastic material. So on top of that, what you need also to know is that this farmer had covered that plastic material with a nylon paper. And remember that this farmer also did some holes on the trays, just to make sure that excess water drains away. So that is why this farmer can be able to get a very good result, as you can see. Now I have a lot of farmers and a lot of examples of how you can be able to do it very well without using a lot of cash. Remember, if you just want to do this fodder, you can do the fodder using the purchased aluminum trays, using the purchased plastic trays, and these trays are very expensive. They are very expensive. Now, to make sure that you are able to cut that cost, then you can do some improvisation. We have a lot. You have probably very old plastic gallons, plastic items that you can convert into trays. Some have used even basin. They are growing very well, provided that you have the seed. Then there is no reason that you can say that you cannot be able to grow hydroponic fodder. You can be able to grow hydroponic fodder. Look at this system. This is my own system, and there is a video on how I built this tray here. This is a tray that can feed how many chicken? 300 chicken daily. 300 chicken daily. This one. It measures 1 meter by 1.5 meter, and I used to plant how many kgs? I used to plant 6 kgs, 6 kgs of seeds, 6 kg of seeds, and by so doing 6 kg of seed, I used to harvest a lot. Remember, 2 kg you can harvest between 10 to 20, 10 to 12 kg of fodder. So for you to be able, look, this is a farmer here, used the available seed. The available seed here was what? Maize. The available seed was maize, and this is now what we call the maize fodder. Maize fodder, you can see it very well, and it seems that this is not an ordinary tray. Probably it was something like a plate, a plastic plate, something of that nature, and you can see he managed to get the fodder. Now this is now my tray, my wooden tray, the one that I may send you to my YouTube channel and watch that video, how I built this one from the scratch. Yes, you will be able to understand everything about that, and how you can construct yours. I know wood materials are available, many materials are available, because here I used only wood. I used a paper, that is a black paper. I also used a chicken wire and a mesh wire and some nails. Then I was able to construct a very good tray. These are 3 trays, as you can see, and I say that a standard tray normally measures, this is 40 centimeters by 1 meter, 40 centimeters by 1 meter, or half a meter by 1 meter. That is a standard tray that you can be able to harvest. You can be able to plant 2 kg of seed, and on that tray you can be able to harvest 10 to 12 kg of fodder. Now this is the fodder that I harvested. This is the fodder I harvested from my you can't believe, this is the fodder that I harvested from my wooden made uh, tray, and you can see how clean it is. Doesn't have mold, doesn't have any contamination. Yeah, you can't say that you cannot be able to construct yours. You can be able to construct yours and grow very well. Very nice, very nice fodder. You can see how clean it looks, how clean it looks. Look very nice without any contamination. eh? Look at it. Have a look at it. Very nice fodder, very nice, very clean. Now you cannot say that you cannot be able to grow hydroponic fodder. Okay, look at this photo here. Look at this photo here. This is just a plate, an ordinary plate. Probably this guy here was doing an experiment. But let me tell you that those that goes to aluminium trays, nowadays we don't have pure aluminium sheets that you may use to construct the trays. And what these people from Juakali normally use, they normally use alloys. Alloys are metals that normally are mixed just to lower the reactivity. But since fodder require on every moment, finally your trays will start uh, doing what? Will start rotting. And when it starts rotting, then that means that your fodder will also be contaminated. So the issue of molds and fungus will automatically start being seen in your fodder when your trays start this kind of reaction. Now, for them that are training to grow hydroponic fodder, what you need to know is that we have the very first step that we normally use. That step is normally for preparing the seed, treating the seed, and making them germinate before even planting them. You can see at this particular photo that you can see here, this is a farmer who did a very good job. As you can see, each and every seed sprouted or did show the sign of uh, sprouting. And now this is now the seed that is normally planted. So if you find that you are not able to do this, we have that first step that we normally say it's known as seed incubation, that normally took 2 days. You prepare the seed, you clean them with jig. After cleaning them with jig, then you incubate them. That process of incubation normally takes 48 hours, and by the end of 48 hours, then your seeds must show this kind of uh, thing. So when they are ready, then after planting, then the result will be very nice. Look at some of the results that I normally get from my viewers. This is one of my viewer who constructed a very good nice tray. As you can see, we have some paper, we have some uh, chicken wire, and also we have some mesh wire. Then the plantation, look at how clean it is. It looks very nice. So there is no reason that someone may say that he or she may not grow fodder. You can even grow fodder with only seeds, because other things you can do, improvisation. You can improvise. Look at my fodder. Look at this. This one is not purchased, is only built. And building, you just require a carpenter, or yeah, you just require a carpenter who can do that work, can build a very good structure that can really help you, can be of help to you. Now I think I just wanted to say about those kind of improvisation. And remember what I have said, these seeds have been well incubated for 48 hours, and now what is awaiting this seed is just planting them. Once they are planted and the watering have to be done as recommended, then I want to assure you that the results are normally very, very nice, because after even 1 day, 2 days, then you will start seeing your results and the results are normally encouraging. So you can see by yourself. You can see by yourself. We don't have any tray here. It's only that we constructed, and after that you can see how green. You can see the results that we are having. So no reason for saying that you cannot grow hydroponic fodder. By the way, just go to my YouTube channel, see my video, most watched video of how to construct this tray. Very nice, and it gives you great result that you even wonder how that result come in. You can see I have a couple of photos from that structure, and really everything is just encouraging. Everything is just encouraging. So you cannot sit there and say that you cannot grow hydroponic fodder because you don't have trays. Remember here, you even do not require any fertilizer. We really do not require any chemical, because what we really require here is only the seed to sprout, and that sprout that is, let's say, 6 inches, 5 inches to 6 inches, that sprout does not require any fertilizer, does not require any nutrient for it to reach up to that point. Number two is that for you to grow the fodder, you don't require fertilizer or solution, because that solution or fertilizer won't have been taken by the growing fodder within this short period of 1 week. 1 week, it will be just wastage. And finally, another reason why I discourage using of fertilizers and this kind of nutrients. Mm. Eh, Gaka. Sorry for that. I was talking about the rust. Reason why I discourage usage of solutions and fertilizers is because the usage of fertilizer and chemicals will encourage you start doing what we call recycling of water, because assuming that we have to mix the fresh water with these expensive fertilizers and solutions, then once we water, then the excess water normally flows out of the fodder, so as waste, and that is how it should. So because many farmer or many agronomists will tell you that this water has a lot of nutrient in it, you need to collect it and then re-water it, or just recycle the water. And we found that recycling of this water results to a very bad fodder, a fodder that is contaminated, a fodder that has molds and fungus in every place. Because assuming that a farmer had maybe 100 trays, and then this farmer practices this recycling of water, if one tray is contaminated, has mold and fungus, these molds and fungus will be transferred to other trays through this water that is being recycled. So for me, I do not even know those solutions. I do not even know which solution is the best that we can use, because I have never even attempted to go and search for them. I have only been using fresh water, water that is suitable for drinking. That is the water that we are supposed to use. Nice work. So far so good. If you have any question, please remember to submit that question under this video, and I will attend to that question. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for being with me. If you want me to cover any topic, let me know. Thank you very much.